Hello guys, welcome back to Where the Winds Met. So in today's video we will go through another quest, Hunger Game Canal version. So how to unlock this quest is simply as soon as you walk into the Wansheng town right here by crossing the bridge, you will unlock this quest. To start the quest, we will talk across the street here with how E, and we will start quest that way. He will lament about how his colleagues always outrun him during lunchtime, sparing him no food. And after agreeing to him to help Haoi, the day will immediately shift to lunchtime, meet up with Howie standing in the line with other men about to make a break for the soup. Now the men will make a run for the soup. Because Howie is slow, you need to use Meridian Touch to immobilize them, make them freeze in place for Howie to successfully reach the restaurant and get the soup. This will end the quest. Regardless of whether or not Howie gets the soup, you will receive the same quest reward. Like that. You can buy pacifying token for 2000 coins from Zhongda in Heaven's Spear. I will show you in a moment. So right here in Heaven's Spear, this is in QUCK area. Right here you can buy pacifying tokens, as you can see right here. You can only buy them 15 tokens a day before it restocks. So this is to redo the quest. To redo the quest, you also need to find it in the Injustice quest menu in the compendium, then relocate it on the map to restart it with the token. And this is basically it. What is the catch of this quest? So I hope this video helped you out. Consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.